everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your page isn't available problem on your Instagram app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So there could be many reasons why you're having that problem, but the first major thing could be that you haven't updated your app. So you will simply just go to your Play Store and then you will search at the Instagram and check if your app is updated or not. In my case, as you can see, my Instagram app is updated and it shows the option called open instead of update. So if you haven't done it yet, simply go to your Play Store and update your app. If you're still unable to solve your problem, then all you have to do is to simply go to your settings and then you will simply go to this apps option, go to apps again, and then you will search the particular app. Simply tap on this option called storage, and here you will see this clear cache option. Clear this cache. That way you will simply remove all the unnecessary storage that your app was holding and making your app work a little slow or lag. And make sure you have a good connection as well. If it's going on and off in between, it might be the cause why you're having the problems in your page connection. And the other thing that you have to make sure is that if you are still not being able to go to that particular page, is because the person who created that page must have deleted that page, or that particular link of your page must have expired. So that could be the reason, because if it is expired already and the page is deleted, then there is no way you can find that particular page on your Instagram itself. So yeah, these are the reason why you're having those problems. So I hope this video has given you the answers of your questions, and if you have more concerns, do leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much guys. I'll see you guys next time.